Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today marks the anniversary of Corona when I went into lockdown for 2 weeks. And it marks the anniversary of our first chicken showdown. Is that what we call it? Chicken... or chicken wars. Yeah. My parents went through the horrors of Popeye's drive-thru, which is not fast food, it's slow food. Let me just preface that my parents sat in the Popeye's drive-thru for like 40 minutes. So we got Chick-fil-A, Popeye's, Wendy's, Burger King, Arby's, Aldi, McDonald's, and...
That's 8, right?
No, I have one more.
Royal Farms.
Oh, Royal Farms, yeah. We got some weird ones. But, so how it works is, me and my mom are going to be blindfolded, except my mom's not going to be in the video, so I'm just going to be in the video. And then my dad's going to serve it to us, like, while we're blindfolded. And we have to guess where it's from and how much we like it on a scale of 5 chickens. Also, I just want to add that all the chicken sandwiches were plain, no, like, butter. I mean, no, wait, they did have butter. I mean, like, no tomato, no lettuce and stuff, just to keep all the variables, like, controlled, you know?
You never take our blindfold off?
When do you want to take it off?
Yeah, do you want to do these one at a time? Do you want all on the plate at the same
One at a time.
Alright, so we ready in there?
Yeah, we're ready.
We're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here comes the first one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm so scared. Okay.
What do you want?
She wants a snack.
I already gave it to her.
Oh.
I hear it. Why am I like covering my eyes?
Can you see anything?
No, I can't. I close my eyes when I wear my blindfold anyway, so.
Oh, there's my glass.
Do you close your eyes?
Yeah.
Is it in front of me?
Because
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
but don't your eyelashes get in the way if you try and open your eyes?
No, I don't have eyelashes. I mean, I do, but they're really long. Oh my, oh, oops, I just messed up my hair probably, okay. Oh, ew! Okay, so oh yeah, my dad cut it into quarters, so.
Go.
1, 2, are you ready?
I
Alright,
am.
1, 2, 3.
I thought.
I suck at this. Okay. Wait.
Yeah, I think I do.
I don't.
This is gonna be
I
harder
keep
than
changing it. Wait, so it's definitely not that one. It tastes so familiar. Yeah, I don't know where it is from. It tastes like. Or Chick-fil-A. I rate it.
I think a 3. 3 to 3.5. I'm gonna say 3.5.
I was gonna rate 4 chicken sandwiches. I don't know where it is from. 1, 2, 3. Burger King.
McDonald's.
Okay, next one. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Okay, I keep thinking this, and it's probably not right, but I'm just gonna say it. Okay, 1. Wait, after we say it, we can't. Yeah, I hear it's on too.
Yeah.
Oh, darn. Well, then it's hard because this is the first one. Oh.
Things like that.
As I edit this video, I realized that Burger King. I've tasted these before. I still don't know where it's from. What do you guys rate it?
Right. 4 on the last one.
Oh, 4. My dad rates 4 chickens. Okay.
Right.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah, this one.
This is your next chicken.
Okay. 1, 2.
This one, I think.
The bread is mediocre.
I think I. A 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I feel really weird being blindfolded.
Drive-through line.
I went on Instagram and just looked at food posts because I was hungry. Oh, mine's big. Did you give me more than 1/4? I don't
No, it's just big. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Unless I ran out of storage. In my hair. Oh my goodness. Oh, good thing I'm taking a shower. Okay.
Why?
I ate my hair.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, I know where this is from. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up.
Yeah.
Hold up.
I'm gonna
Oh
know.
shoot! Sorry.
We do. Oh no, do we need to open our eyes?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I know what this one, I think.
It's just water.
One. No, wait.
I don't have it.
I don't have it either.
On her placement. That's all.
Like a 3.5. It's a little dry.
Sorry. Don't
It's
mean to
okay.
be in your
I'm going to
picture.
say Arby's.
Your video.
It's a video. I'm backtracking. No, I don't think this is.
Look, hold on.
Okay.
Wait.
Take your time.
How much do you guys rate it? How many? I'm searching for my water bottle. I probably look ridiculous. Oh, there it is.
Say
Okay.
Arby's.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Arby's again, even though I already said it, because I know my dad's a great. What do they call those people?
I'm a nerd. So I can check.
Yeah, we're
Yes.
ready. We've been ready. It's not going
I'm
well. I
still
think
hungry.
I probably got
Let's
0
go.
right. Oh wow,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What do they call this?
Nerd?
This one's dense. No, like this one's like a.
This one's very buttery, I find. Like,
I rate this like a 2.5.
I'm ready to guess.
It's sticky. I'm not ready to guess. This one's dense.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever had rural farms chicken, so
That's not cheating.
yes, it is.
What the heck is it?
This is bad. They're always like two completely different. It's like low-key spicy or something.
I feel like we needed a
I, like,
list
picked mine
in
all
front of
apart.
us that we could peek at after we ate it.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's cheating.
Bring it on.
And you have Wendy's.
I have a guess. Okay. Oh, this is buttery than the last 3.
Burger
Popeyes.
King.
This is just straight up butter. I'll rate this like a 2.
Yeah.
This is a 2.
I think I know
3.
what this is.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get
Countdown?
into it because they would never understand.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
She didn't
if
get this
this
is my
is
guess.
it.
I don't want to rate it a 2. Wait a minute.
I say
Wait a
Royal
minute.
Farms.
I think it's because oh man, I don't want to upgrade. No,
upgrade
that's
it, though,
so
just
sad.
'cause I
Okay,
know it's
one.
Chick-fil-A.
I mean, I don't
rate
know
it
if
for
it's
yes.
Chick-fil-A, but
One,
it is so buttery.
two,
This is
three.
way better than the
Chick-fil-A.
last. I didn't think the last one was that buttery, but this one's. I think this is
Super
super buttery. And I
buttery.
rated it 2.
I know.
What do you rate it?
4.
I gave it away.
It's definitely Chick-fil-A. Don't come for me.
I was gonna say Chick-fil-A,
Super
and I was like,
buttery.
it can't be like, it can't be that low. Did I give it a 2? But
It's definitely Chick-fil-A. So
Ready?
Chick-fil-A is
hard.
not all the hype, guys.
Ew.
Chick-fil-A is not all the hype. Like it's
Okay,
good.
yeah.
1, 2,
Two,
3. It's really. I think I would try without butter, and it'd be like.
I got this one.
Did I overcook it? One, two, 3.
Wait.
Oh.
Up part to the bun.
I think I overcooked it.
Oh, you know what?
It tasted
What?
like
Here,
There you go.
I don't.
it's very chewy.
That's Royal Farms.
Oh. Okay.
I don't like that at all. To be
Um,
Rate
fair,
it 0.
like
I rate this a
they
1.
did sit
Yeah,
the
I would say a
longest.
1. I'll give it to
Like,
him,
what
but
it's
it's so
called
dry.
wood
and
I thought this-
salty.
Gonna make that
I thought this
better.
is
don't
what
think
I
it's
cooked.
Fresh off the thing.
I
I was gonna
agree.
say
Nothing's
Odie.
gonna make that better.
Okay, we ready for the next one, folks?
Dry turkey. I want to boost my. This one's so wet. Oh, I know. I know it. I know it. Are you ready?
No.
I know it.
Or what?
Sorry.
What?
Sorry.
What'd you do?
There you go. Go for it.
He
That's
switched
number 7.
ours. He's cheating.
No, I'm not.
1, 2.
Not cheating.
I forgot about all these. See, that's why I need a list so I can look.
Oh, and I rate this 2, I 1, think. Like 2, 2.5 3. maybe.
Oh,
I can't rate
it
it
is.
above Chick-fil-A.
Oh, it is.
So it's like a 2.
Wait.
You can't change it. You can't change it after.
She rated that
I didn't
above
change my
Chick-fil-A.
rural farms. I continue with.
I don't know what happened to Chick-fil-A. That was the most buttery I have ever tasted.
I think it's maybe because we have our eyes
Yes.
closed.
See,
I think.
that
I
was-
think.
No, never mind.
I really think this has something to do with.
3.
Oh, okay. Last
man.
one.
Last one.
Yeah,
I really want to know what I
remember
rated
didn't
a
taste.
4, because whatever that is, that was pretty good. This is flaky. Yeah. I gotta continue eating it. So it's not Wendy's, but oh well, I'm still guessing
I
Wendy's.
said a 3.
3.
Oh, I haven't rated Wendy's. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna say this is Wendy's. I'm saying this is Wendy's before I even try it.
Okay.
This is good. I mean, it is a little buttery when you eat the bread by itself, but with the chicken, it's
Wait,
not
no,
too buttery
wait.
in my opinion. I tried this before.
McDonald's.
I always pick mine apart.
Yeah,
My
taste
results
the
are
bread and the
final.
chicken.
My
Uh-huh.
my
Oh,
guesses
I
are
like the
final.
bread.
You like the
That was fun though. That was interesting.
That was
About
really
3.5.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go the same.
3.5.
Mhm.
Burger King.
Wait.
Okay. the first. You each got 2 right.
Okay, and then you got the highest.
Highest rating.
For watching.
Until next time.
Our
Bye,
our
peace
first
out.
chicken showdown, right? Yeah, chicken sandwich showdown / wars. Wait. So the final conclusion was that Burger King won, and Rural Farms lost,
Both rated
and
2.
that I got
Maddie
to.
got it right. You said it was Royal Farms.